Millennials are getting married later than any other generation, and age isn't the only thing setting them apart. More are signing prenuptial agreements. Reporter Julia Fellow explains why many call it a no-brainer.
Simply put, more millennials not only want to keep what they've earned, but protect themselves from debt. It's not the most romantic thing to think about. A survey found that more than half of all matrimonial lawyers have seen an increase in millennial prenups. Family law attorney Greg Hildebrand explains why millennials may look at marriage different.
Millennials are looking at this like a business agreement more.
I think so. I think they're more savvy. They can see maybe what has happened with their older family members, aunts, uncles, parents, and maybe the conflict that occurred.
Hildebrand says the biggest reason millennials call him is to make crystal clear who pays off the debt.
Debt's harder to divide than assets are.
Bride-to-be Erin Lowry says that she signed her prenup because she owns a business, and her fiance has student debt that they plan to pay off after their wedding.
But the way my lawyer put it, which I really love, is that everyone has a prenup. It's the law of your state. But by actually going through the process of signing one and creating one yourself, you're taking the power back.
If you get your significant other to warm up to the idea like Erin did, don't expect it to be a walk in the park.
What type of finances do you have to include in the disclosure?
Literally everything. So it's income, assets, and liabilities.
That includes tax returns from prior years, your debt statements, retirement account balances to help set a baseline for the possibility of division later.
Well, that was Julia Fellow reporting. Now, if you're listening to this and have been married for years, a postnup is a real thing that people sign. It is essentially, it works the same as a prenup.
Oh, that I haven't heard of.
That I didn't
While
know
you're married,
myself.
you can
Yes.
hammer out something.
I guess so, if you want to have those delicate conversations.
Yeah, it's probably a lot cheaper than getting the divorce,
Yeah,
you know,
it can
hammering
be.
something
That's
out.
right.